need to loosen that. Watch out, there's a opening right there. Give like a glove I can shove in that.
Shove in where?
That's where the dipstick goes.
Just sitting there. The guy got all the way down here.
Yeah. Pipe? Yeah, there goes on the top.
You got that, we can shove it in there.
There we go.
No, you shove that big.
It's in there.
Put that in there. Push it, the whole jack forward a little bit now.
Okay.
The whole jack, just a little forward. Just a little bit forward. Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit, just a little bit more. There you go. Okay, looks like your speedometer cable here on my side, so you gotta push it my way a little bit again. As it goes up, as it goes up, it goes your way. There you go, my way a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, push it, push it. Push it again. Yeah. And now you go up, now you go up. Now you're good.
Come up easy.
Yeah, because when you go up, it goes your direction. It goes towards you every time.
The paint job on the bottom of my pan's done. I need to redo that.
Silver. Where's this ratchet strap? You excited?
Yeah. You weren't?
Doing it the poor man way.
We did it! Honey!
My coworker said he didn't believe
Honey, look at it!
we would get this
I see it.
in there. Ah.
I guess I gotta do the other one. Screw over.
You need me to lower the jack or raise it?
Let's take good pictures.
My phone does, yeah.
Downpour raining. You guys have no idea how much of a bitch this was to put in underneath a car in a puddle of water. That's just one small step for mankind.
Ryan,
Yeah.
what do you have to say to Mila?
What?
¿Qué quieres decir a Mila?
Oh wait, the battery's not connected.
Are you serious?
Battery's dead or not hooked up? Hold on, what the fuck? Oh, there's one behind the back tire, Ryan. You're good.
It's in the front?
There's one behind the back tire.
Okay, I want to make sure I don't roll forward.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me get this one behind. This one in front.
There's one making sure I don't roll back, right?
One to make sure you don't roll back.
Yeah?
Carburetor fluid.
I think that battery's dead.
No, it's not. Come on, baby. She's cold. She's attractive.
It's cold right now, too.
No way! Holy shit! Oh, yeah, buddy!
again, do it again, do it again. Watch your hands. All right, all right, all right, all right.
Sounds really fucking good. Brian, let it heat up. Let it heat up.
Before you do that, yeah. Or actually,